Wars aren't always about territory or politics. Sometimes they're just about oil money. In July 1956, Egyptian President Nasser made a bold move that would cost thousands of lives. He nationalized the Suez Canal to fund his Aswan Dam project. But this threatened Western oil companies who were making massive profits shipping Middle Eastern crude through that waterway. Within weeks, BP and Shell executives held secret meetings with British and French officials. They hatched a conspiracy disguised as peacekeeping. Israel would attack Egypt first, then Britain and France would intervene as neutral forces to protect the canal. The oil companies quietly spent £50 million bribing officials and funding the entire operation, all while publicly denying any involvement whatsoever. The plan worked perfectly, except for one thing. 3,000 people died so oil companies could maintain their 75% profit margins. When you hear about military intervention, always ask one simple question: who's really getting paid?